Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, I'm going to leave all this until I get the special tool, but in the meantime I'm going to loosen all the bolts that hold the motor in. I think I'll leave it in here until I get the rest of this off in case I need some leverage, but I'll just go around and loosen everything just in preparation to get a little bit ready. So there's a bottom bolt goes right through across from the side stand through to this side. That's a 13mm. And this is captured. On the other end there's no nut. But I want to remove this one because I've got an engine stand to take the weight when it's time to take it out. So this one is one I'll take right out. As you can see, it's quite a long bolt. And the other ones I will just loosen. So the large one goes on the frame. That's a 21mm on this side, 17 on the other. 21mm on the nut. Okay, the other side is turning. I think I might use the power tool. Well, you're still recording. And $17 at the back. And the motor is part of the frame. It's a stressed, the motor is a stressed part so that there's no frame that goes right underneath. So the frame can flex. So once the motor is out, don't sit on a bike or anything because you will split the bike in half. I think I'll leave these on and just do the ones on the engine loose. We'll pop around the other side. They're a size 13. So 12 on that side, 13 on the nut. I think I'll leave the side stand on. They're going to need open-enders. Okay, I'm just going to try on this side 12mm and see if, yes, they're turning. So I'll just check. That one's loose, loose, loose. Okay, it goes right through. So once I dismantle the rest of the other side, these brackets have to come off first. Put the jack under here, brackets off. Then I can dismantle the rest and sort of get the motor to come up slightly and come out, or maybe just drop down between. If I have to drop it down, this stand will have to come off. So I'm thinking maybe I'll just do that now anyway. You'll save fussing around later if I have to. This is a captured bolt, no nut. This bolt goes right through the crankcase, so I'll leave that in there for support at the moment. And I think that's about all until probably Monday when the other part comes in, the special tool.